Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on this tutorial, I'm going to show you all the elegant look inspo you need to be the belle of the ball and nail the next garden party or floral theme in DTI. So if you want to know how I create this look, just follow my steps in here. Now first, this is the hair look that I use for the garden party look, and these are the hair. So I'm using the bangs from this to hair and then combined with this updo, this wavy hair, and also another outdo hair. And this is how it will look. You can choose the color that you prefer for the hair. And here for the hair, I'm going to use this ribbon as the accessories to go it into type 2, and I'm going to use this soft pink color combined also with this headband in type 2 using the same soft pink color. And now I'm going to go to the dressing room, and first I'm going to put on the top from the witch set in the currency item here, and then I'm going to use the flower patterns for the dress and look. These patterns right here combined with the soft pink color. Like this. And I'm going to also use the skirt and use the same patterns like this and put on the strawberry dress. Use only the sleeves, okay, with the same colors right here. And go to the code items and put on the necklace and chains, the color into white. And I'm going to also put on the sleeves in here and just use this color right here. You can now go out, and I'm going to put on this skirt to go it into type 2, and I'm going to use this beige color, put on this necklace in here in type 2, use white for the color. Now for the shoe, I'm going to wear the Mary Jane shoes in here and change the color into white. Then you can just put on the skirt from this dress in the last item to glue it into skirt number 2, and I'm going to change color like this. So guys, this will be the final look for garden party theme in DTI. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all on the next one.